A lot of times, if you have neck pain, it will spill into your shoulder because of how connected they are and close to each other. Think of them as husband and wife. If something's wrong with the husband, his issues is going to spill into his wife, vice versa. So in this video, we'll go over how to use the massage gun to treat any aches and pains that you have in your neck. If you own one of these, you probably see this all the time. I use it to kind of treat a lot of the neck and aches and pains that I have on a daily basis. Not necessarily injury, but more of a preventative kind of thing. You can certainly use it if your neck hurts or if your shoulder hurts. So a couple things to kind of note so this is a tip. This is one of the tips that comes with the massage guns, as you can see. So I'll turn it on. So if you've got neck or shoulder pain, a lot of times if you have neck pain, it will spill into your shoulder. Or if you have shoulder pain, it will spill into your neck because of how connected they are and close to each other. Think of them as husband and wife. If something's wrong with the husband, his issues is going to spill into his wife, vice versa. So the first spot that I like to target is the junction between the neck and the shoulder. So right at the junction of it, in terms of intensity, I like to start low to start with, and then kind of work my way up, unless you already know what intensity you're comfortable with. So I'll start at 1, and I'll put it right about where the shoulder is. And you'll know, your body will tell you where the pain is. This feels really good for me, by the way. And it kind of loosens up a lot of the tension that you have in the neck and the shoulder. So the next question that we get all the time is, how long do I keep it on? I usually kind of do it for about anywhere from a minute to 5, depending on how much you need it. So I'll do both sides. The next thing I'll do is I'll switch the tip to more of a tip. And this will put it in between. I'll put it in between spine. Again, I'll start with the level 1. So just to turn around and show you what I would do, put it right on the base of my neck, and I'll go up and down. Make sure I'm not hitting the spine. So I'll go down as low as I can, and that'll feel really good. So I'm not hitting on the spine. I'm hitting in between on the left side and the right side. And that's why I'm using the tip of that. So you can kind of go all the way down to your mid back. So those are the 2 ways I would use to treat any neck and shoulder pains or aches that you have with a massage gun.